Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta Business Suite how to create event. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to create an event using Meta Business Suite, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Meta Business Suite app. Then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, in order to create an event, what you need to do is just simply tap on this more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then among the options, you'll be seeing an option that says events right here. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside your event section, here you'll be seeing an option that says create an event. Simply tap on that. Now all you gotta do is fill in the event details like event name, date and time, description, event image, event link, and then once that's done, all you gotta do is just choose your audience and privacy. Then once that's done, after filling out the event details, click on publish or create event at the bottom of the screen, and once your event is published, you can promote it using Meta Business Suite tools including creative ads and inviting followers. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.